Imagine you're on a trip to Singapore, enjoying the sights, sounds, and flavors. You've got a bit of leftover YouTrip money, and you're wondering if you can bring it back home to your Bank Singapore account. Well, that's exactly what we're going to find out today. YouTrip is a popular multi-currency travel card offering great exchange rates and low fees. It's a convenient way to manage your finances while traveling. But what happens when you're ready to return home and want to consolidate your funds? Unfortunately, you can't directly transfer money from YouTrip to Bank Singapore. YouTrip is primarily designed for spending while traveling, and it doesn't have direct transfer capabilities to local banks. However, don't fret, there are still a few ways to get your money back. Method 1: ATM withdrawal. The most straightforward method is to simply withdraw your YouTrip funds at an ATM in Singapore. Look for ATMs that display the Plus or Cirrus Network logo, as these are typically accepted by YouTrip. Just insert your card, enter your PIN, and select the desired withdrawal amount. Keep in mind that there might be ATM fees associated with this method. Method 2: in-store purchases. If you have some remaining YouTrip funds and you're planning to do some last-minute shopping in Singapore, you can use your card for in-store purchases. This is a great way to spend your leftover money and avoid ATM fees. Method 3: currency exchange. If you prefer to have cash on hand, you can visit a currency exchange service in Singapore and exchange your YouTrip funds for Singapore dollars. However, be aware that currency exchange services often charge fees, so compare rates before making a decision. Additional tips. Before leaving Singapore, make sure to check your YouTrip balance and ensure you've withdrawn or spent all your funds. Any remaining balance can be transferred to your linked bank account when you return home. If you're planning to use your YouTrip card in Singapore frequently, it's a good idea to link your Bank Singapore account to your YouTrip profile. This allows you to easily top up your YouTrip balance from your home bank account. So, to answer the question, can you transfer money from YouTrip to Bank Singapore? Unfortunately, you can't do it directly. However, there are several convenient ways to access your funds, such as ATM withdrawals, in-store purchases, or currency exchange. Remember to plan ahead and consider the fees associated with each method. With a little planning, you can easily manage your YouTrip funds and enjoy a hassle-free trip to Singapore. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.